Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today we are going to be learning how to download and install Shadow Fight 3 on your Android device. Even if you are using your iOS device, the process will work for both. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open your Google Play Store or App Store. Go to the search bar at the bottom center and type in Shadow Fight 3 in the search bar at the top. From the search results that appears on the screen, look for this application from Neki and tap on Install or Get. If you are using iOS, you'll need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Soon after you do that, the application download will begin. Wait for a couple of minutes and you'll then be able to download and install Shadow Fight 3 on your Android or iOS. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection and you are done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.